Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add a bokeh animation effect in FlexClip, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create videos from scratch. So I'll take a static image like this one, and I'll add a bokeh animation effect like this one, and I'll show you how to do this in FlexClip. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account, and I already have a video project open here with a blank scene in the timeline below. I'll go to the photo tab in the left side panel, and I'll use the search box to search for the keyword couple. And from these royalty-free images, I'll hover my mouse over this one and click this add button. It'll add the image to the scene like so. Next, in the left side panel, I'll go to the Overlays tab, and in the Effect Overlays section, I'll click See All. Here you'll find a ton of different animation overlays, including different sections of the bokeh animation, and I'll choose this one. If I hover my mouse over a specific overlay, you will be able to see the preview of the animation. So I'll click on this one and it will be applied to the image. Let's take a quick preview of the scene to see what the bokeh animation looks like. If you click on this button in the top right corner, it allows you to select the overlay, and you will see this contextual toolbar at the top. You can use this flip option to flip it horizontally and vertically. You can use this opacity option, which has a slider to control the opacity of the overlay. And finally, the blend mode has several options, and I'll show you a few of them. So let me choose this overlay option. And as you can see, it darkens the image, and you can then use the opacity slider to adjust the lighting like so. Similarly, the multiply option will darken it even more. So you'll need to play around with the blend mode and to see what options best fit your image. By the way, there are many more bokeh animation effects down below, so feel free to explore all of them. Once you're happy with the animation, you can click the export button in the top right corner to render the animation as an MP4 or GIF image. And here are some more examples of the bokeh animation.